Here's the follow-up video to Cicero's Pro Marco Marcello episode 12. You might want to go watch that video before this one where I explain all the grammar in detail, because we're going to use Cicero's basic structure in that episode to learn some Latin composition. So here's the original sentence. Nullius tantum flumen est ingeni, nullus dicendi aut scribendi tanta vis, tanta copia, quae non dicam ex ornardere, sed enardere Gai Caesar, res tuas gestas possit. It's a beautiful sentence with several levels of subordination. It's very nice. First, we want to simplify this sentence. We want to boil it down, so to speak, and reduce it to the most basic elements by taking out some of the modification. So we get this: Nullius tantum flumen est ingeni, quae enardere res tuas gestas possit. No one's river of genius is so large that it can fully describe your accomplishments. Second, let's change just one element to practice understanding the structure of the grammar. So instead of saying flumen ingeni, flow of genius or river of genius, let's try a synonym, facultas explicandi, with that gerund, the ability to describe. But this necessitates a change in the adjective as well. Now it's not tantum flumen, both neuter, but tanta facultas, both feminine. So now we have nullius tanta facultas est explicandi, quae enardere res tuas gestas possit. No one's ability at clarifying ideas is so great that it can fully explain your accomplishments. Third and last, let's change the object of enardere. Right now it is res tuas gestas, your deeds, but maybe you admire your friend's wisdom. Thus we can swap out res tuas gestas for tuam sapientiam. So now we have nullius tanta facultas est explicandi, quae enardere tuam sapientiam possit. No one's ability at clarifying ideas is so great that it can fully explain your wisdom. Now there's a lot more we could do in terms of variety for the sentence, changing different words and so forth, but I think that's enough for now. I hope you found that helpful. You can practice these kinds of things on your own and so advance in your own knowledge and study of Latin. Thank you so much for watching Vale Tota Omnes. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and Vale Tota Omnes.